sa Sugbo. This is Kayla and I'm with my dear friend Rowena.
Hi!
I've been to Toronto if you haven't been here. So, samahan niyo po kami guys because we're gonna be walking around. This is one of our favorite places to go every time, you know, we feel lonely. Oh, we feel lonely. Do you feel lonely?
Lonely.
Saan tayo? Left, right, north, south?
Kuan.
So,
To the pit.
Kensington
There.
Market is very touristy area.
Yeah, me know later.
Yun yung main entrance ng Kensington Market. From there, all the way there. So nakita yung pinakadulo.
There's a market in Kensington. Famous of what? Famous of market? What? Kensington is famous of what? Market?
Dugay na kayo siya diri sa Canada, di ba? Pa siya kabahan sa Kensington Market.
Famous of what?
Huh?
Kensington is famous of what?
No, Kensington is a neighborhood here in downtown. It's
okay.
famous. It's because it is like
Famous
Bohemian neighborhood.
Oh, Bohemian.
Oh.
Okay, so Bohemian.
Spell Bohemian.
Okay, say Bohemian.
Spell Bohemian.
Bohemian. B-O
Oh.
M
Oh.
Ano?
Wa pa siya ka-arin dahil.
B-O-H-I
B-O-H-I-B-C-O. Bohemian. Basta mo na to siya, Bohemian. At nandito pa ako ngayon nakatayo sa main entrance ng Spadina. Ito yung pinaka-middle na entrance kasi ang strip ng Kensington is masyadong mahaba-haba siya. So, kailangan talaga ng a lot of walking pag nandito po tayo. At if you're a big fan of vintage, dito nyo rin makita yung mga iba't ibang vintage na stores. So, marami rin kayong mabibili yung mga, you know, exciting collections. This is the alleyway kung saan pwedeng mag-picture-picture. Yan. So, may mga alley dito na kung pwede talagang very picturesque, tapos very Instagrammable na area. So, pwede tayong mag-emote at mag-picture-picture dito. Yan. Ni Rowena dito.
I've been here in Canada guys for 15 years.
So 15 years, so hindi niya
But
alam to.
You know, I'm so ano ba?
Oo.
Anong pangalan yan? Kanang dili lagan? Kanang dili lagan ba?
Hindi kasi siya magsuri-suri sa Sugbo kaya hindi siya nakarating dito. Dapat magsuri-suri Sugbo ka.
Wala unsa na siyang naadya. Awa murag nasa kanang carbon day tanawa.
Oh, kana
Look like in the carbon. Look like in carbon Cebu.
Yes. So may mga interesting stuff na mabibili dito. So this is my favorite place to hang out, especially in the summer. And winter time, it's kind of like not pleasant to walk around. It's because there's a lot of snow. So it stretches from, I think, about 1 kilometer, 1 block west side of downtown Toronto. So I come here to eat because this is kind of like holistic areas where you can buy vegan food and organic produce as well. So this is the perfect place for you guys if you are into that. Ako bumibili ng mga organic fruits and vegetables.
So this is organic.
Organic.
All of these
organic.
are organic. So okay.
Papaya is a good source of vitamin E.
Correct.
Yes, so
I
nakakaano
wanna
siya.
buy two.
Two, okay. This is my all-time favorite, buongon. I love buongon. Dara! Tanawa, buongon.
Magpasan ta ni day.
Buongon, ha?
Okay ra.
Okay ra, ay. Di man siya bugat.
Unsay lami ko anon day?
Ha?
Which one is
The-
good? The
Kana yellow. Yellow siya tanaw.
yellow, two yellow. Okay, this one. This one is good.
Yeah, kana that one. And this one is good too.
Yellow bitaw siya tanan.
Yellow lagi. Oh,
Sa may
buongon.
nindot kanang yellow. Yellow mo siya tanan.
Dili na mas yellowish kaayo. Kinadyo
okay,
kanang.
kanang super
Lamig siya nga
yellow,
pagka-yellow.
Okay kani ako.
Kani. Kana imo? Buongon. Pila imong nagasto?
30 tanon.
30. Ako kay kuan. 20.
Daghan man na.
Oh. Asa ka makakuan ano? So I only spent like $20. And yes. May mga grocery
Mura ni siya kanang
stores.
this is like carbon.
Ha?
If you compare this to Cebu, like our Cebu,
So doon ako na mamalengke ng nangumpra og mga fruits and vegetables and may papatikim ako sa iyo. My God.
which one?
Ha? Empanada.
Oh, really? Oh, I
Yeah. So it's so nice to chill here kasi maraming mga coffee shops. Yan, coffee shops, bakery. Tapos may mga coffee shop din doon. At nandito ang aking favorite na empanadas.
Empanada ni Amon.
Yes. Empanadas.
Take out lang.
Yeah.
Take out lang sang.
Hola, amigo.
Take out.
I'm good. I'm back. And I brought my friend with me. Your empanadas so good. So, dito ako bumibili guys ng mga empanadas. Ang sarap. Kasi may ano
What
sila.
are the flavor? What
May
are the
vegan
flavor?
empanada
Show me.
sila. Ha?
What are the flavor?
We
There's
have a
vegan.
spicy beef, spicy chicken, jalapeno. We have a regular beef, regular chicken. We have a spinach and cheese, or only spinach.
Oh, I like spinach and cheese.
Yeah.
Oh, try it.
I like the spinach and cheese.
Okay.
So, ito yung
Oh,
empanadas niya.
yummy.
Fresh na fresh, guys.
So how much each, Kayla? So this is affordable for everyone, Kayla?
¿Cuántos, amigos?
450.
450.
Oh.
450 each. Pero
4.50.
4.50.
Yeah, 450.
4.50.
Only the spinach and cheese. The other
No descuento, amigo?
$4.
$4.
Oh, it's only 4. Because it's our amigo.
Punto
So now it's 4.
Punto 50 descuento.
So 4, you know?
Okay, give me two spinach please for me.
Okay.
2 spinach and what about you?
I want 1 spinach and 1 chicken.
chicken?
Bongga.
Ganda.
8.
Maluloka ka sa
Oh.
sarap. Mine is no cheese, just all
Mag-appetizer
spinach.
muna tayo
Ganyan.
kasi kakain tayo. Sa napkin. Oh, I wanna have some napkin. Diba? Linisin natin ang mga kamay.
If you come out here guys, don't forget to drop by here. empanadas. Oh my God, napakasarap talaga. Hindi kayo mag-aano. Promise, ang sarap. How do I know?
The spinach. You will not know. Once you bite, you will know.
Yan, kanusa na mo mong empanadas.
Pahuway niya, nangaon niya.
Gusto ko kain ng empanada.
Yummy.
Gusto ko kain.
Empanada. I'm having the cheese, spinach and cheese.
Nami are. Actually something mine is vegan empanada.
Yeah, kay vegan. Ang ako, vega.
Ako vegan, vegan
Ako kay
empanada.
vega. Vega empanada.
So na siya spinach, ma-feel na ko ang spices, no? Nasa siya a little bit of spiciness in it. So, i-mix together, na-make kay guys. Super duper.
Maghimo niya kong empanada, patilawon ako siya. I will make empanada one day, but without meat. Only veggie because she's vegetarian. So I'm gonna get her to try my empanada.
Vegetarian.
And we will show you how to make it. Pangatanong tika sa high fashion. Unsa na high fashion?
Hapon? Wala ka na unique kayo.
Oh, okay.
Unique ka na, unique kay kagnaong. High fashion.
High fashion. High fashion beyond normal. Kada bang
So sa ito pa, abnormal ka. Kaya high fashion.
yeah, just like okay, you're taking a picture up in the mountain with your bikini. Mo na siya high fashion.
So sa ito pa ka na, sa ito pa ka na
abnormal.
kugang.
Like in English, astonishing. Astonishing.
Unsa pag
Kamangha-mangha.
unsa pag astonishing. Mura mga matangta ako
yeah.
postiso astonishing.
A-S
A-S
T-O
T-O
N-I S-H-I-N-G astonishing. Yeah, di ba? Kanang kamangha-mangha ba? Mo na siya kana ana.
Kung sa ano pa, kung sa Bisaya pa. Kung ano ka na
In our next vlog, we will show you how to do the astonishing way.
lagi ko sa
The
Bisaya
high
pa dai
fashion.
kanang alimuot kayo tanawon.
Kada bang beyond normal ba, di ba?
Oh, apiki.
Ana na pareha good nimo good beyond normal.
Beyond normal.
Beyond normal masad ko. Ana na siya.
Abnormal.
Kanang mo project ka.
Abnormal,
Yeah.
normal, and
Yeah.
beyond normal.
Yeah.
Dahil na.
When you project for an high fashion photo shoot or any kind of shooting, yung kat kas baril mo na high fashion.
Si Rowan na akong papilawon o vegan and gluten-free na mga desserts.
Lagi.
First time ni mo dai?
Yeah, first time here in Kensington.
Kensington.
Asa na siya? Kanang
How do you like it so far?
I love it.
You loved it? Mura na kag nasa ko ano, mura
Yeah.
kag nasa sa
Like,
tabo sa banay.
Yeah. If it's Hong Kong, night market,
Night
mga
market.
ana.
Mura kag naa sa kulon. Kulon.
If it's Cebu, kulon. Kulon. Ano siya?
Oh, di ba? Katanawa guys.
I feel healthy, no?
Naawa, katugo na siya. Nakakaon
I'm full.
Nakakaon siya kung ano, nakakaon og sa pangalan ni uy, empanada baga duka na siya.
No. Yeah, because I'm full. But later, I will be a little
I think you're
energetic.
anemic.
No, anemic.
Yeah.
Anemic is luya.
Luya gani, awa, luya bitaw ka.
Luya rin. Oh, dahil.
So, it's our turn. So, vegan and gluten-free. Hi! So, pili na sa imo day.
Gusto ko kadto for my coffee later.
Okay.
Ano that one for my coffee?
Yeah, kusay.
Let's sit down na lang sa coffee time.
Sit down.
Somewhere ba?
No, no sitting down.
Not here.
Oh, hi. Can I get one a date, please? Yeah, there's a carrot ginger, right? Yeah, give me one of that, and then one of this one too.
Sara ako aday.
Yeah, that's it. So, I'm gonna let Rowena try this one. This is really good. It's gluten-free, and it's vegan, so good stuff.
It's time to pay. Kayla.
Vegan ice cream.
Yeah.
Vegan ice cream here.
Time to pay.
Thank you.
Suroyan.
We got our vegan dessert, so
Unsa?
it's time to eat that. Yes, og karon amo nang gikaon na among gipalit nga vegan muffin og ang nahurot na iya ha.
Nahurot na ako kay chocolate muffin to.
Yes, kay
Nahurot
chocolate.
na. Cheers.
You've never been to Canada if you haven't tried Tim Hortons.
Tim Hortons. Timmy.
So ako kay kuan siya black green tea kang Rowena
Cappuccino.
among tupad
Yeah.
kay Starbucks.
Ani ni siya. Canadian ka. Minom ka og Tim Hortons.
Kung American ka minom ka og Starbucks.
Starbucks.
Na.
Sa tinuod lang guys, no? Sa ato sa Pilipinas na ay Tim Hortons. Ningon sila kuan na daw, Laishu, wadto kag Tim Hortons. Manhi, wadto kag Tim Hortons, mag-drive thru taon mo din he. Sa $1, makakapin no. Piso.
Na-feel nimo ang Canadian taste sa Tim Hortons kay kuan. Made in Canada.
Wapa lagi
Canadians.
ka ron.
O diba ha?
Wapa lagi ka.
Nakakaon kog chlorine. Eyeglasses is
Celine Paris. Charot.
Celine Adelia. Yung eyeglasses.
Bongga.
So guys, that's all for today. Thank you so much for tuning in.
Bye.
And magkita na sa sunod namong
sunod nga
vlog. Because we will be vlogging together every once a week.
Yes.
So magkita-kita na sa next week pohon. Taga-igmang lawas. So please don't forget to subscribe, Rowena V. And of course, subscribe to my channel, All About Kayla Vlog. And please don't forget to like and share. And of course, drop a comment para makabaw sa mi unsay mga chika, magchika-chika ta. Di ba, Rowena?
Yes, absolutely.
So invite siya nimo.
Alright guys, so I'm in a collaboration with
Kayla
All
Vlog.
About Kayla Vlog.
Kalimot.
Ako is Rowena V.
V. So yung usay meaning ng V day.
Vega. Vega yapon. Bita di ba ikaw?
Mara ka Rowena V. Vega ra. Kana.
Kayla V.
Kayla V.
Rowena
Vega
V.
ra.
So, Vega ra.
Yes.
Ano yung mga V? Vega.
Please don't forget to share, like, and comment, and press the notification bell para ma-notified mo pag naami bagong i-upload na video. So, I'll see you guys very soon. Take care of yourself and please stay safe. Bye for now.
Bye.